Alright guys, we're just going to jump right in. We're going to test out how fast this Jeep Cherokee will go with a stock 4-liter motor and its 33 tires. It's going to slow down it slightly with the 33s and not the stock tires, but everything else on this thing is stock engine-wise. So we're going to see how fast it goes. So let's jump right in and see how fast. We're just gonna find ourselves a flat, straight area so we can dial in the speed, and we got ourselves a watch here just so we can watch that watch, and then we also have the speedo right there. So let's find that spot and get ready. All right, so here we are. We got our straightaway, and we're gonna go straight to a dead stop. I'm just gonna show you the speedometer, and I'll get you the timer as well. So we're at right when we go to 25. A few seconds. Ready, set, go. Okay, we're at 2 seconds. See how fast it gets to 60. Let's go. Come on, a little more. This is gun ho. We're just going full straight for it. Just need a little bit more. Come on, 5 more. And that is 60. All right, and that was at 43. So we gotta calculate that out. Calculate the numbers. So we got. Alright guys, we calculated out the numbers. It took about 18 seconds to reach 60 miles an hour on this thing. And that's not bad. It's not bad. It's not crazy good either, but it has plenty of pep for what it is. So I'm surprised I got it in that amount of time. I was expecting like maybe 20, 25. But it didn't do too bad. So I have a feeling that with stock tires, it could probably do it in 15, maybe 13 seconds. But overall, I'm impressed. So that's how long it takes. A 33 and a stock engine on this thing. So 18 seconds and boom, we got 60 miles an hour. So, booyah. That's your video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to, and see you in the next video. See ya. Whoop.